So we've done the eyes and the nose, and now we're working on the mouth. Now, you probably noticed earlier that I drew the lines from the center of the eyes all the way down. And then I have this line here signifying where the mouth, like the area the mouth is going to go. I'm going to block in or create another guideline here. But you know, the space in between the nose and the top of the lip. And I'm going to do another line in between there. I'm going to try to get in there a little bit more. Now, the corner of the the center of the eyes, this line, that's going to be where the corners of the mouth are. That doesn't mean that's how wide the lips are. It just means that it doesn't go past there. So usually what I'll do is I'll start with the top lip. You know, there's usually something that comes down like this. And you have it's almost like a V. For some people it might be more of a rounded shape, or excuse me, line. And then this comes down like this. So right now we're just trying to line it up to figure out how wide it should be. Okay, and so the bottom part is going to be like a curved line right here. If you feel like the other and it needs to come down a little further, you can do that too. And we're bringing that to here. And you might notice that that your lips might be too thin or too thick. You can make adjustments. So I shaded that in. I'm going to use my blending stick to kind of do small circles to fill in the lip area. Now that does tend to flatten it, but and I'm softening the edges from where those lines were. So what I need to do is I'm going to add another layer of value so that you can see the difference between the top lip and the bottom lip. I want to further define them. Now this bottom part of this lip is going to have a little bit of a shadow, just because the top lip would be above it and maybe blocking a little bit of the light. Okay, and then you're going to notice that the underside of this lip as well.
Good afternoon, Patriots. I have the bus lineup for today. The first bus is a combination. Bus 9 riders will ride on bus number